Good evening, everybody, and welcome to this evening's weather update. So, this evening we're going to be taking a break from talking about the California Pineapple Express, and we're going to cover a storm impacting areas of the Midwest and Northeast. So, looking at the HRRR model, the 18Z run, uh, we're going to be seeing snow move across Kansas midnight tonight. Overnight, we're going to be seeing a snow move into southeast Kansas across areas such as Wichita, and then south of Kansas City around tomorrow morning, 6 a.m. We could be seeing a narrow band of very heavy snow moving across western Missouri, northeast Oklahoma, and southeast Kansas. This will move across southern central Missouri, northwest Arkansas, as we go into around 9 p.m. Central or 9 a.m. Central Daylight Time tomorrow morning. And the snow is going to dissipate tomorrow across southeast Missouri around 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time. But then we're going to be seeing snow reemerge across areas of central northwest Ohio, southeastern Michigan by tomorrow evening around 8 9 p.m. And then we're going to be seeing heavy snow move across Ohio and then moving into western Pennsylvania by uh, by around 1 a.m. tomorrow or 1 a.m. On Friday morning, and then the snow is going to push across western New York as we see snow in Maine as well, and it's going to turn to rain during the day Friday. We're going to be seeing snow on the backside of the storm across New York and Pennsylvania before the storm exits by overnight Saturday. Looking at the snowfall accumulations across the Northeast, with the initial band of snow, we're going to be seeing widespread totals of 6 inches to 15 inches across portions of northern New Hampshire and central northern Maine, with about 2 to 6 inches across portions of Vermont, New Hampshire, and southern Maine, and then across uh, parts of north central and northeast Ohio, area between about 2 and 8 inches. Same with northwest Pennsylvania, with the heaviest totals of about 12 to 15 inches along the shores of Lake Erie. And then looking across Missouri and Kansas at the snowfall accumulations, uh, I think that this model is underdoing it in these areas. I think we're going to be getting a little bit more snow, especially if the snow bands are heavier than the model is projecting. As of right now, the model is projecting a dusting to 2 inches across Kansas, northeast Oklahoma, south central Missouri, with isolated totals of 2 to 6 inches where the heaviest pockets set up. Now, looking at the severe weather of this, the severe weather aspect, for this evening, we have a marginal risk of severe weather across northeast Arkansas, southeast Missouri, southern Illinois, western Kentucky, northwest Tennessee, with a small area of a 2% chance of tornadoes within 25 miles of location in this green area, 5% wind risk in the brown area, 5% hail risk in the brown area for tonight. And looking at tomorrow, we have a slight risk of severe weather across much of Alabama, Georgia, northwestern South Carolina, far southeastern Tennessee in the yellow, and a marginal risk across much of the south, central, southeast, and going into the areas of Tennessee, Kentucky, and western North Carolina. Looking at tomorrow's tornado threat, we have a broad 2% tornado risk in the green area. Tomorrow is looking like a damaging wind event with a 15% chance of damaging winds within 25 miles of location in the yellow area tomorrow, a 5% chance in the brown area tomorrow, and then we're not going to be seeing a hail threat as we have a less than 5% chance of hail across all areas tomorrow. So make sure that you prepare for some snow tonight and tomorrow if you live across areas of Kansas, Missouri, far northeast Oklahoma, and far northwest Arkansas. as well as Ohio and the Northeast, and prepare for some severe weather if you live across the Southeast tomorrow. Thanks for watching this weather update and have a wonderful evening, my friends.